Nvidia and Google graphically maintain a strong partnership with Nvidia Blackwell-powered A4 virtual machine to its customers, demonstrate a heterogeneous approach to AI infrastructure which is radically a different types of chip for different needs, like Nvidia V200 and GB200 with Google Ironwood V7. One is cloud modeling to AI bloops, and another is minimized social cost distribution. In better understanding GPT model, GPU model, TPU model, the B200 and GB200 are also AWS Cloud and Microsoft Azure Cloud friendly. In far world today, deep look Chinese and US manufacturing on demand and distribution, though early research gained for regional finance sector. On DeepSeek, the Chinese made it's a major leap forward for regional commodity comparison, where DeepSeek tried to a part of what tech in artificial intelligence automation, quantum computing, machine learning, finance sector, healthcare, extended AR, VR computing, is scatterplot new human of motive generative AI and trained AI today. Human tried to encapsulate to Mars tires and Titan. Video sponsor is Higgsfield AI. It's a one-step procrastination platform for data enhancer and studio maker. You can create studio sound, image, video, and create mood board as you can think. They has many kind on subscription model. You get Grok, Vo 3, Kling Audio and Creator Studio. They used best AI on scale mood board that's make you much stronger on e-commerce day. You can download their app and visit Web Studio. Link on video description. Looking a new street generation where data safe is major, and others traces of microbes quantum entangular of notion newly trained GROQ2 to GROQ3 is massive leap for new era of AI, for purifying and synthesis more visual data such condition and deep look what data center GROQ3 and is ripple. GROQI performance is LPU's based empowerment which is able to handle 300 to 500 token per second and in stage of chip strategy and chip runtime it's may although AWS and Nvidia combined in competition move way for better AI inference. GROQ CEO has stated that their approach benefits though an independent AI inference market. This is not AWS and Nvidia inter-update 1, an area of GPT market, generated pre-trained technology. Nearly investment global AI 1.5 trillion approximately this investment Gauss though ChatGPT, Gemini, RoQ and many others on Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, Meta prominently emphasis this investment though hardware and software market while AI-related stocks including Nvidia, AMD and many supercomputer, in architecture on model and trained simulated various data as a board infrastructure. Virtual reality holoscreen where GPT power is compute though semiconductor maker and LLM to LPU it's a separation between many chip maker, on stage on different year and different region. DeepSeek into Chinese-based and GROQ is USA-based GPT and model like Train. Google made their TPU-powered chip, Nvidia made their GPU architecture, Microsoft build their NPU-based neural chip. But the feasibility thing is, can Google Cloud Provider, GCP, AWS Cloud Provider, Microsoft Azure Cloud taken all global data on right flock industry note, this is a subsequent speculation in far adding is subtracting has been eager to standard dividing with US chip and Chinese chip. This is a pioneering efforts in both artificial general intelligent and AI era. Different loop as NPU which competitive takeaway is insane. AWS is gearing up for Blackwell. They think they build first GPU with secure AI. Distribution across the multiple GPU try as a Aws model is in foreign service all completely packaged together and trying to figure it out how many tensor RTLLM pre-trained model. As borderly shown Nvidia inference microservice NIM as Nemotrino weather, so many WebNN blow this types of artificial neural network. A weasel weight significantly enough to make them useful for EV application. Oftentimes change the chairs to a different style. Hopper H100 GPU data center have massive startup in tons of others AI train model. It's 900 times faster for AI training 30 times faster AI inference. Nvidia ecosystem it's altogether it's work very different skull. where Hopper connect with DGX H100 system. If 32 DGX combine, you got a DGX part, which is an enterprise level, and so on. AWS offers new Amazon EC2 Pages 6 EGB 200 Ultra server, which are accelerated present on Nvidia GB200 super chip combined. They can run multi-trillion parameter process models. Amazon Q collaboration with Nvidia Blackwall and Nvidia DGX. It's insane revolution for operation various language model and infrastructure development. In Aws EC2 Pages 6 EGB 200, it's radically high cloud density distribution where AWS Cloud offer new age of power cloud server. This is compute regional distribution demand on healthcare, finance, logistic, robotic, and many more. It's a anti-competition behind Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud GCP, AWS Cloud. On many software model and GPT model, it's Nvidia and Amazon QA groundbreaking distribution. This are Identity Access Management System, IDM, for many enterprise invention, though wearable equipment to individual personal tool, all today equipped electronic. This simulation on whether what ARM today side on Intel of leg and machine like Nvidia Grace Hopper CPU and AMD, they focus on enterprise level data which is secure by many different architecture.